Most people think creating AI animations requires expensive AI tools, but that's not true. You can actually make Disney-style animations completely free like this one. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make high-quality AI animations completely free. So let's begin the video. To create an AI animation story, we first need a strong story idea. Instead of guessing a story, use a ChatGPT. This makes the whole process very simple and easy. Go to the ChatGPT and ask it to generate multiple story ideas. I just want a story around one character. After getting the ideas, read all of them and choose the one that looks best. I chose the escaping donut story. This type of story works well because it has one character, a simple goal, and a satisfying ending. Once you have finalized the story, ask ChatGPT to break it into short scenes. It will create multiple scenes, making it easy to generate each one individually. After all the scenes are ready, ask it to provide a prompt for a donut character and another prompt for the bakery setting. Since the story takes place in a bakery, this helps keep the environment consistent. This way, you'll have both prompts ready to use. Next, generate the images. Go to the lmarena.ai and here you choose the image model Nano Banana Pro. You can choose Nano Banana 2. Both are free and give similar results. Copy the donut prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there, then click generate. Also copy the bakery prompt and paste it here. All right, we have generated the images. We get these two shapes. This one is looking perfect to me and I continue with it. Go back to all the scenes in ChatGPT and copy scene 1. Upload both the donut and bakery images, then paste them into it. Add a 3D Pixar-style animation word at the end. Here, we need to describe the animation. After that, add this prompt at the end. I will add this prompt in description. Then, click on Generate. All right, you will get this grid structure. Repeat this process for all scenes. Upload the donut and bakery images, then copy the prompt for each scene from ChatGPT and paste it here. Add the words 3D Pixar-style animation. Then include this prompt structure at the end and hit the generate. This is a very easy and fast way to make any AI film and AI animation storyboard. Once you generate all the scenes, you need to extract images from each grid structure. Choose a specific image based on the scene. Pick the angle that looks best to you. For example, if you want to extract an image, you can write extract image 1 from row 2. Then click generate. Here's the result. You can further customize these images. Once all images are ready, proceed to the next step, video generation. For creating a video, we first need a video prompt. If you're good at prompting, that's great. But if not, don't worry. Simply upload the image to ChatGPT and describe here, this is the image 1 that I am using for scene 1. Give me the video prompt of this according to the story. Click on Generate. Instead of blindly generating a video prompt, you should always upload the image first and then create the prompt based on it. After creating the prompt, we will now use free AI video generators. Grok was free, but now it's paid. I have 2 tools that work best and generate good output. The rest are mostly not worth using. First, you can use Veo 3.1. You can create many videos with Veo 3.1, and I have explained how to access Veo 3.1 free. So watch this video and access it. Another tool you can use is Dreamina by CapCut. Here, you can use Seedance 2 or 1.5, which are great for creating smooth motion animation videos. These are new AI video generator technology. You should always leverage it. First, upload your images to Dreamina and add the prompt you generated from ChatGPT. Choose your desired video length and aspect ratio, then click on Generate. Dreamina is also giving 120 daily free credits that helps to create more generations. Here's the result. As you can see, it generates the clip very well. Repeat the same process to create all your scenes. Once all the clips are ready, combine them in CapCut to make your final video. I know these tools have limits, but they are free, so you can still create good content with them. That's all for today. See you again in the next video.